Final video to fix load game error in Baldur's Gate 3. And if your saves won't load, let me ask you, are you trying to continue your adventure but the game crashes or shows an error when loading? This problem usually happens because save files are corrupted, game updates are incomplete, or mods conflict with the loading system. Sometimes recent Windows updates or antivirus also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file replacements, complicated mod removals, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of deleting everything blindly, we fix the exact save file path, game configuration, and system link that causes the load game error. This works because it restores proper reading of your saves without affecting other files. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Saves load normally. Gameplay continues smoothly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If load game error in Baldur's Gate 3 is blocking your progress, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.